enter the sketch mode with any of the planes, say the right plane, you're going to see something in the middle, two red arrows, and in the middle there is a dot. This dot is the origin. Whenever you sketch, always have your sketch linked to the origin. Assuming we want to sketch a circle, a very good practice will be to make the center of the circle the same as the origin. In this course, we will always start sketching from the origin. We will cover sketching lines and rectangles, which we can easily do with few clicks. You can see these shapes in the command bar. First, we need to get into the sketch mode. Let's select the right plane this time. So select the right plane and click Sketch. Now let's start using our first sketching command, line. We see the line command here. We click on it and move the cursor to the canvas. When you do that, you will see that the cursor shape have changed to indicate we are drawing a line. Let's move the cursor into the origin. When we're here, we can click one click only and then move to the right. You can see that we are now drawing a line. Assuming we want a line to be like this, we can click again and this will automatically start another line. Here is another line. So let's move to the top and do another click. This again will start a new line. Let's move sideways again and do another click. Now let's say we do not want more lines. We can simply press the escape on the keyboard and we will exit the line mode. Now you'll notice the cursor looks normal again. Let's go back to drawing more lines. So we go back to the line command and click on it. Let's go to the point where we left and click on the point. And then let's move to the left. If we move horizontally to the left, you will notice there is an icon that pops out telling us we are moving horizontally. If I move the line a little bit up or down, this icon goes away. So let's go downward and continue our rectangle. Again, if we go downward, we see another icon telling us that we are going vertical. So let's go back to the origin and click again to continue a rectangle. Now let's move to sketching rectangles. We can see the rectangle icon below the line icon. Next to it, we can see a drop-down menu. If we click on that, we can see different methods which we can use to sketch a rectangle. For now, we will only explore the first two. The first option says corner rectangle. Let's click on that for now. And then go to the canvas and click on the origin, one click, and start moving the mouse. And you will be able to see how the rectangle is being formed using the two corners. If you click again, you will get a rectangle. Now let's check out the other option. We go back to the drop-down menu and click the second option, which says center rectangle. So we click on that, and let's say we want to click on this point here. So we click again and start moving the mouse. Now you can see that the rectangle is being formed in a different way. If we click again, we get a rectangle. We still created a rectangle, however, we drew it differently this time. As we go along using SolidWorks, always remember that any complex shape can be broken down into simpler shapes like lines and rectangles, which you learned here. And while we're here, try playing around with some lines and rectangles.